Today was a great day of trading. I was able to execute on one of the main things I was wanting to work on, which was practicing patience. Ended up taking 2 trades, so please sit back and enjoy the recap while we go over those. Happy Monday! How are we feeling? So what we're looking like on the daily charts. Still got that nice little uptrend going. We did get slapped at 8 o'clock. I think it was in the video news. I wasn't here. I wasn't watching. I just saw something pop up on my feed about it. So don't really know, but we did get slapped pretty heavy. Plunged through VWAP, came back up, gave us a little test above it, kicked right back up into the magical 80s, and then yanking again. Overall, we are opening up right above yesterday's value area high at 240. Value area low sitting at 130. So 240 and 130. If we get back below 240, gonna watch for the move to the downside. I'm curious to see if we retrace this move or not. Pretty aggressive plunge, 350 down to what, 250, 100 points in 5 minutes. Pre-market, it's fairly aggressive. I'll be curious to see if we run that back up or not. But as of right now, we obviously just burned through that whole upward move on that trend. Nice kick, running past that prior little break, 280. So nice 70-point rip, 80-point rip, almost a 90-point rip now. Feels like we should sweep these lows at 70 and push into like actual 70, or the lows at 77, 77, 80. Feels like we should push into 70 to 66. There we go. Here's the push into 70 volume. I'm gonna go ahead and get long here at 72. So I'm long off that volume at 72 on the quick flush. I'm looking at just above 400 here on the exits. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop in here just to loosen the nerves a little bit, just in case we do rotate back. Just because I am looking for a kind of a larger target here on like the flip of this candle, basically. But we're sitting right at volume here, so kind of just being patient. I like that sweep to the downside across the board. So yeah, I just put my stop in place. At this point, kind of a free trade and just trying to milk as much as I can out of this. Delta's still looking good. Trying to be patient. Mentally, starting to have a hard time, I'll be honest. I'm just getting ready to want to kill this thing, which typically means I should kill it. I'm out. It might flip it, and that's fine, but I just don't like... I don't like point of control being up here, us consolidating near 400. I don't know. I don't like it. Oh, and there it goes. Ayo. Firm handshakes, Matt. You needed 20 more seconds. Literally. Love that. While it looks annoying because because they did rip it immediately after I killed that, I will say, you know, we left another 300 bucks on the table. However, that was a no drawdown trade that I was super patient for, and I executed it pretty good. Obviously, I could have waited another 20 seconds and been like perfect. However, you got to listen to your own body sometimes. You got to listen to your own mind. And if you're spooked, get out. I got spooked. If you're enjoying the video, make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Check out the links down below. All the interesting ones are there. My Instagram. Go give it a follow. Well, bounced right above 58, right at 59. Nice little kick to the upside. I'm going to go and participate here. I like that sweep to the upside. Just looking at the top of the little range here. And we're out. Quick little trade, about 8 points. It's what, $160, $180? Brings us to 160 bucks. We're at 450 on the day. So a little scalpy scalp there off the sweep. Sweep to the downside. We bounced right above where I was talking about at 58. We bounced at 59. Started sweeping back up. I got long when we broke that prior wick. Got long and then was just targeting basically right here at 78.5 on this little cluster. If you don't know what I'm talking about here, a lot of times on the move to the downside, if there's a bunch of red candles in a row, look for that green candle in the middle. Same thing here, green with one red candle in the middle. Typically a point of interest. And so I just was looking at the top side there for that point of interest.